We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the Toro Recycler Push Mower with a 22-inch cutting deck and a 150 Briggs Stratton Exi engine. This mower has a 22-inch cutting deck with Vortex technology, along with a Briggs Stratton gross torque EXI 150 engine. Our cutting deck is 14 gauge steel. This mower has an electronic start along with personal pace auto drive. This mower has a super bagger for zero hassle cleanup, along with our equipped lever to switch between mulching and bagging. This mower has the recycling cutter system, which gives lawn vitamins, nourishing your grass. It has an improved tread pattern that doesn't tear grass and grips hills in slippery conditions. This mower is carb compliant. This mower has a cutting height adjustment of 1 inch to 4 inches, along with a fuel tank capacity of 2 gallons. Our bagger capacity is 1.8 bushels. Once again, this is the Toro Recycler Push Lawnmower with a 22-inch cutting deck and 150cc Briggs & Stratton EXI engine. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720. We also have handhelds and trailers and can make you a great package deal.